Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. Thank y'all for joining me today, and I'm going to be working on this painting, and this one is from the 4-cup flip and drag fallers video that I did, and I have added that link above if you're interested in checking it out. But I really love the richness of the colors in this painting, and I need to add some details. So I drew out my ideas on this piece of tracing paper, so I kind of get the placement of where I wanted to put the trees, and I want to try to put a little walking path through there. And I'm going to be using the diamond glaze to attach the Color Art Blinget Champagne Mica Flakes, and these are the smaller ones. They're actually the medium, I believe. And this diamond glaze is a good thing to use when working with the Mica Flakes. It holds them in place and it dries quickly. So the path that I want to make is just kind of a little curved and up to the point where I want to add some blue and bring the skyline down to meet the path there, and then get the placement on my tree trunks of where I want them to. And I find it really helps me to kind of sketch it at first before I try to do it on the canvas. So I'm just going to start bringing some of the blue down, and I will add some more details to the trees and make them look more blended in with the blue instead of just cutting it off like that. But I did want it to look like the path just kept winding around a bend or something, so that's why I wanted it to curve a little bit and to actually meet the sky. So now I am ready to start working on the tree trunks, and what I want to kind of do is outline some different grades of ground and make it kind of look like it's on a hillside. So when I put in my tree trunks, that they will be, closer ones will be on a slower grade, and then as it each one of those grades go up the hill, that I'll add the tree trunks in there. So I'm using mostly a dry brush to add the branches in, because I don't want them to be like just lines on there. I want it to be like they're fading in and out among the leaves. And I'll also come back and add some of the orange and yellow and green, and that goes over these branches as well, to look like that you see the branch, you see the leaves, and they're just kind of all blended together. So adding some gray, I'm using the Burnt Umber for my tree trunks, and added some regular gray and then some Payne's gray to give the tree trunks that different shades of bark. And then I also used a dabbing technique to give texture to the tree trunks, especially those that's the foreground. And I'm hoping that it will dry with just a little bit of texture there. So I'm coming back and adding more tree trunks back in between these, and then over here on the other side, starting at my ground level, and then I'll do the same thing with graduating levels, like going up the hill. So the pathway actually looks like it's kind of like in a little bit of a valley. And the Mica Flakes themselves, my camera went off and didn't realize it, but I added some alcohol inks and went over the Mica Flakes, because like that shine of the champagne color was a little bit too bright for what I was going for here. So I just tinted the Mica Flakes with the orange and yellow and green alcohol inks. So this is what it looks like now. And I have also added some of the mica flakes there at the base of the canvas as well. So I like the way this turned out. It speaks all to me, and I've brought the blue down to meet the trees, and I also added some details to the leaves themselves. And now my dilemma is that I'm not sure if I want to resin this or if I want to varnish this. I kind of want to keep the texture that is on the tree trunks themselves and on the mica flakes for the path. That makes it look like crunched up leaves that have fallen. But I'm afraid I'll lose that if I put resin on it, which was the original plan. So let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below, and let's see who thinks it should be resined and who thinks I should just use varnish on it. I really, really have enjoyed doing this one. I was a little bit intimidated to try to detail this much after I did the pour, but I kind of like it. I think it turned out really nice, and I hope that that you have enjoyed it. If you have, please click like and share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And please remember that Friday this week, September 20th, I will be drawing for my 500 subscriber giveaway, so please subscribe so that I can add you to that list. It certainly is exciting for me to have reached 500 subscribers, and I want to share. I want to share the joy with y'all, and so I hope you'll join me Friday. It'll be right here on my channel at 8 o'clock Central Standard Time, and I hope you'll be there. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time in my next creative escapade.